Nick! Mahal na mahal kita, higit pa sa iniisip. Bye! Ingat ka dito sa Pinas. Punta ako dyan, tanga. Ganymede, hello. Ganymede. Ano kasi basa yun? Beer!
Inang habang buhay
Sa akin,
kung
ipinta ko ang pag-ibig sa'yo.
ay kulay na hindi pa
Nakita ng mata mo.
magbibilang ng hangin.
Umalis na rin, na makukulit. Wala na. Wala akong masaktan.
Kapalit ng may
Malaya. Pangmahagan. Zero.
pagkasiya ang dakilang rason ba't ako ginawa aking oksihina.
I know you. Welcome back.
Hindi mo makahinga kung ipahiram pa ng isang araw ang mata ko, malalaman mong sa piro ang tingin ko sa'yo ay kahiyas.
Ayaw na niya akong kausap. Umalis na siya.
Di kailangan ng dahilan para ika'y mahalin.
Okay na kaya. Pinas kita tayo ngayon. Para bang nabibili akong babae. Chardy! Si Chardy!
Kahit lahat
Ay mawala na. Handa akong masaktan.
kapalit ng may malaya.
Mahagan.
Tunay na pagkasiya, ikaw ang dakilang rason ba't
Oreo.
pag hindi
Na magkahinga.
aking sumitaw.
Mr. Cricket, hello.
Aking sumitaw, aking sumitaw, aking alam mo makawin.
Tim. Sad.
Awamid, niyaging iranam sa pumo at nakangimi aratig ngan gunot alot nga namal laham galwa kahit lahat ay
Mawala na. Dream. Masaktan.
kapalit ng may
Malaya. Mahagan.
tunay na prophecy, ikaw ang dakilang rason
Hi, Paul.
ko ginawa.
Christian, hello.
Oksihina. Hindi
Na magkahinga. Kadiri naman to si sister. So, yun naman here.
Don't the water grow the trees? Don't the moon pull the tide? Don't the stars light the sky? Like you need to light my
It's a hero,
life.
hello.
If you need me anytime, you know I'm always right by your side.
Vicky.
You see, I never felt this love.
Supremo.
You understand how much you really mean to me. I need you in my life. You're everything that just makes my world complete. And my love is clear, the only
Ready?
thing that I'll ever see.
All You're my sleepy. Ganda ka. Oh, yes. Ebony, baby, you're amazing.
You're my angel, come and save me. Yeah. Don't the water grow the trees? Don't the moon
Nalagay tayo
pull
ng
the
effects kasi ano
tide?
tayo, bida-bida eh.
Don't the stars light the sky?
Asan baby ka? Mahal kang baby ka. Barito na ng baby ka.
Everything in life.
Miss na miss ko na ang baby ko.
We both can get
Barito
it
na ang
right
baby ko.
tonight.
Barito ang
Got
anak
you
ko.
all
Anak!
looking high.
Mahal ko, miss na miss ko ng baby
Can
ko.
tell by looking in your eyes.
Miss na miss ko to.
You don't
Tawag
understand
ka
how
ma.
much
Hi
you
daw.
really mean to me.
Asan
I
niya?
need you in my life,
Teka,
you're
kumain
my
pa ako.
necessity. Yeah. But
Hi!
believe me,
No,
you're
wala sa
everything
guys.
that just
Hi!
makes my world complete.
Bunso!
And my love
Mahal!
is you, the only
Mao!
thing that I'll ever see. You're all I
Baho na ako, bunso. Kami
ever
putyagis.
Baby,
May
you're
putyagis!
amazing. You're my angel, come and save me. You're
All I ever need.
baby, you're amazing. You're my angel, come and save me.
Me.
When it comes to you, baby, I'm addicted. You're like a drug, no rehab can fix it. I think you're perfect, baby, even with your flaws. You ask what I like about you, ooh, I love it all. When it comes to you, baby, I'm addicted. You're like a drug, no rehab can fix it. I think you're perfect, baby, even with your flaws.
We.
You ask what I like about you, ooh, I love it all.
I ever need.
All I ever need, baby, you're amazing. You're my angel.
Ayokong basahin. Yun ang follow. Bastos yan. Basta, hello. Ever need. Ay, andyan pala si Azanya. Azanya! We're eating ramen in Flower Dome. We're eating ramen. We're eating ramen. Ay, tissue natin. Wilvin! Bossing! Bossing! Ay, nakagwapong bossing! Sa prime. Isa lang.
Linis at bango ka na.
Bossing! Kill, di ako gwapo. Pogi! Ka lang. Ay! Best na dyan, bossing! Di mo man lang ako in-invite. Best na dyan! Di ka man lang nag-invite. Invite mo naman. Here we are on the best day of our lives.
And it's
Mamaya tatambay
let's
ka.
make it last
Di
some
man lang
cheese
nag-ano?
you all to that cause this
Invite?
moment's
Yabangan night. Ayan yung ano, no, bossing, yung tag dito.
she laid her eyes on me.
Merong ano, yung car show.
Been down, she's the only one around and she
Kailan yan? Susunduin niyo ba ako? in my wallet and your phone number to call it. And I miss you more wherever I think about you.
I've got you.
Alam ko yun, yung parang ano siya, battle.
Been so long since we've been talking, and in a few more days we'll both hook up forever.